friends, welcome to all of you in our YouTube channel Gurukul Success Point. Myself Raj Chaudhary. Today friends, I shall teach you about how to solve the differentiation question. So friends, let us see the first method of d upon d x power n is equal to n x power n minus 1. This is the basic method. How to solve some examples of this method. So d upon dx x power 11 is equal to 11 x power 11 minus 1. This method is x power n is equal to n x power n minus 1 means पावर आगे पावर में से एक कम means पावर आगे पावर में से एक कम 11 x power 11 minus 1 is equal to 11 x power 10. That is answer of this question. Next question, 5 is constant of this question, so we take out constant of d upon dx. 5 d upon dx, 5 is take out of d upon dx, and x power 4 with respect to x differentiation x power 4. So 5 into 4 x power 3 is equal to 5 4 ja 20 x power 3. That is answer of this question. Next question. In this question we multiply upon d upon dx for happy terms. D upon dx 3x square plus d upon dx 2x plus d upon dx 1 is equal to 3 is constants, so 3 take out of d upon dx, x square differentiation 2x power आगे power में से एक plus 2 is constant, so we take out of d upon dx, that d upon dx x differentiation d upon dx x is equal to 1 plus d upon dx 1 is constant, so that value is 0. We solve it. d2 is 6x plus 2 1 here. That is answer of this question. Next question, d upon dx, we into d upon dx ax square plus d upon dx b. A is constant, so that x square differentiation with respect to x 2x plus d upon dx b. B is constant and there is no x value with b, so that value is 0 equal to 2ax. That is answer to the question. Next question, d upon dx, we into d upon dx for every term, d upon dx e की power x plus d upon dx log x basic. d upon dx e की power x का फॉर्मूला e की power x log x का 1 upon x होता है. तो now d upon dx e की power x is equal to e की power x, and d upon dx log x is equal to 1 upon x. That is the answer of this question. So friends, now some examples we solve with the basic method x power n is equal to n x power n minus 1. After that the multiplication method and division method. So we solve the every method in this video. So now friends, I told you about the differentiation d upon dx power n equal to n x power n minus, and the other method, multiplication method, division method, chain rule. So friends, we know about how to solve the differentiation, these methods. So now next method we take multiplication method. Multiplication method. तो हिंदी में बोलते हैं गुणन विधि. When two terms given in into, so we use this formula, multiplication method. d upon dx u into v. U is first term and v is second term. So we use this formula, first term d upon dx second term plus second term d upon dx first term. That is the formula upon multiplication method. So we take some example. d d upon dx sin x into cos x. Sin x first term and cos x second term. So we use this formula. First term d upon dx second term plus second term d upon dx first term. We solve it. Sin x d upon dx cos x is equal to minus sin x plus cos x d upon dx sin x is equal to cos x. Sin x into sin x minus sin square x plus cos x into cos x cos square x. That is the answer. Next question, friends. E की power x log x. E की power x first term, log x second term. So how can we solve? First term d upon dx log x plus second term d upon dx first term e की power x. E की power x log x का 1 upon x plus log x e की power x का e की power x. So friends, we solve it. E की power x upon x plus log x into e की power x. We can take e की power x common. E की power x to 1 upon x plus. That is the answer. So friends, now we know about the dividation method, differentiation, d upon dx, u upon v. U is numerator and v is denominator. So denominator d upon dx, numerator minus numerator d upon dx, denominator upon denominator का whole square. So let's find some examples. D upon dx sin x upon cos x is equal to cos x d upon dx sin x minus sin x d upon dx cos x upon cos x the whole square. Cos x d upon dx sin x cos x minus sin x cos x का minus sin x upon cos x का cos x का whole square का cos square x. Next cos square x minus minus plus sin square x upon cos square. Cos into cos square, sin into sin, minus minus plus. This is the identity cos square x plus sin square x or sin square x plus cos square equal to 1 upon cos square x. 1 upon cos square x is equal to sec square x. 1 upon cos x is equal to sec x or 1 upon cos square x is equal to sec square x. So that is the answer of this question. So let's find second question. Second question, d upon dx e की power x upon x. X denominator d upon dx, numerator minus numerator d upon dx, denominator upon denominator का whole. So friends, x d upon dx e की power x into e की power x minus e की power x d upon this x equal to 1 upon x square. So we take common e की power x. So x minus 1 e की power x common, so x and 1 x minus 1 equal to x. Okay friends, this is the answer of this question. So now friends, you also understand the dividation method. So friends, if you like our video, so please like and share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the all notifications of our videos. Thanking you. Jai Mahadev.